2006 Mercedes S550 Premium. This car is a perfect Carfax, no accidents and no paint work. Extremely well maintained. This car has a navigation pack, has the heated leather, power tilt telescopic steering wheel, premium sound, Bose system, navigation, sunroof. There's no rust on this car. Not anywhere. Mechanics are perfect. Doesn't appear to ever be smoked in. No lights on the dash. Hard to find them in this shape. Tires are like new. Full service and safety inspection. Vacuum lock doors. Power trunk. This car is going to be eligible for our guaranteed financing. $795 is a starting down payment on a car like this. Hard to find in this shape. Extremely well maintained. Decent miles. Just hit 100,000 miles on an 06. DasCleveland.com.